And when you walk yourself inside my crosshairs, I'm going to hug the trigger and I'm going to drop you. You can't withhold this from me. When you have that, unstoppable. Unstoppable. And then when you have the model in your hand and you know exactly how you're going to perform with it, you have no idea. You have no idea the potential you have then. Every goal that you ever set, smashed. Every goal that you ever imagined within your reach, smashed. And you look around and think, man, I did not have high enough goals. This was too easy. This was too easy. But while you're going through it, it seems impossible. They're not doing it. So why are you taking other people's advice that aren't doing shit? If they're not doing better than you, they don't have any opinion on how to make you better. Cut it out. You want to be self-sufficient. You want to be able to make this money on your own. You don't want to listen to me. You don't want to listen to anybody else. You don't even want to be on social media. Fuck these people. You don't want to give a shit about what they say about you. You don't care. You don't give a shit if they see what house you live in. You don't give a shit what kind of car you drive, how much money you got in the fucking bank. You don't care about none of that because you're living your life. You're taking care of your family. If this fucking offends you, I don't give a shit. Move on down the fucking road because this is where the rubber meets the road, folks. No one's going to protect you. I can't protect you. You're going to fuck it up if you fuck it up and you did it in your own hands. But if you do the due diligence and say, I'm cutting all the bullshit out today. I'm cutting it all out. I got no excuses now. He said it. I got no excuses. It's there. It's in the charts every single day, every single week. This is the hardest, easy money you've ever made. And the only thing that complicates it is the person you see in the mirror. How long are you going to let that person in the reflection of that mirror hold you back? You think you look like that person in the reflection of that mirror. You don't. You don't. It's backwards. And it's not shocking when you think about how we think ass backwards. We think about things backwards because we don't think we deserve it. Bullshit. You deserve it. The fact that you're still listening to me, bloviate. You know you want it. You can fucking taste it. It's ready. It's within grasp. You know it's there. You just gotta keep digging. It's gonna happen for you. I have dozens other ones that I'm begging for them to come forward. New step. New step. New string in their step. Why? Because they don't need ICT no more. And guess what, baby? Woo! That's exactly what you do when you graduate. Fuck you, ICT. Thanks, brother. See ya. That's exactly how I want you to do. I don't want you tethered to me. I don't want you constantly tethered to me. I want you to say, thank you so much, but I ain't got time to be messing with you no more. I got things to do. Places to be. Boom. That's exactly how you leave the nest. That's it. We're done.
This is one of the hardest things that you as a human being will ever endeavor to do. Because it's so easy to psych yourself out. I'm convinced that 80% of people that fail, they talk themselves into failure. Either subconsciously or blatantly. Think about what you've done to yourself as a trader. If you've traded with live funds and you've blown that account or accounts, you can go right back to the moment where you knew at that moment, right before you did it, when you still had money in the account, the day that you did like 25, 30 trades, over leveraging, trying to fix something, trying to just do whatever, at some point, it became like you just wanted to end it all because it was too painful. Just click until I don't have any more money left. I don't have the discipline to do it right. I've already convinced myself that I'm never going to do this, so let's just blow the account and be done with it. So subconsciously what? Your mind tells your hand there's something to do. Push the button. But the chart's saying nothing about doing anything at all. You're never going to see a book written like that. But that's the stuff that goes on for real.
Alrighty, boys and girls, what's up? Happy Friday, everybody. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope everybody is doing well. What's up, guys? Say what's up in the chat. Hit the like button before we get rocking and rolling here. Let me know if you guys can see me and hear me loud and clear. Making sure connection, everything is good here before we get rolling. How we doing, guys? Good morning, good morning. What's up, Nisha? What's up, Tom? What's up, Zerodium? Jamie, what's up? Nins, good morning. Gustavo, good morning. Jose, good morning. Good morning, Melda. Good morning, Big Head Reef. Audio and video is spot on. All right, cool. It was almost looking a little bit laggy on my end for a second, so I just had to double check. What's up, Layla? What's up, Mohammed? What's up, that guy, Jordy? Good morning, good morning, good morning. How we doing? How we doing? All right, make sure audio is good here, and then we will rock and roll here, man. We got market open, guys, in like 20 seconds. So let's go ahead and jump into the charts. Put on the flashbang charts, boys and girls. And man, what a crazy, crazy sell-off we had yesterday, boys and girls. This was one for the ages. It was such a big dip, in fact, that I had to go ahead and buy some. I had to buy some more QQM shares. I bought some more VU shares. Man. Buying the dips, baby. Buying the dips. Yeah, I should probably buy some more Bitcoin. Do I trade high? No, I don't trade high. I don't even smoke. I don't even smoke. Why? Do I look high? Cap? No, that's the real deal. Oh, look. 4 shares just went through. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. Hang on, boys. All right, guys. Let's jump in. So looking at the calendar today, we do have news at 9:45. We got flash manufacturing PMI, flash services PMI at 9:45. So in 15 minutes, we've got 10 a.m. revised consumer sentiment. This is one of those news events that used to be red folder. It still kind of sometimes acts like a red folder news event when it comes out at 10. So we'll be mindful of that. But yeah, dude, this sell-off yesterday is crazy. I mean, let's jump back into the hourly chart. Let's go full screen here on NASDAQ. And if you guys remember where we were at yesterday, in the morning during, like, let's see, here is 9 a.m. right here, and then here's 10 a.m. And if you guys remember, 10 a.m. candle ended up kind of being interesting just because we ended up opening up, taking out a new high, selling back off, and then, well, selling off, coming back up to the high again, and then ultimately selling off, closing very bearish at the end of that 10 a.m. candle. And then, dude, this 11 a.m. hourly candle from open to close was 608 points. So in 1 hour, we sold off 2.5%. And, you know, overall, yesterday, selling off, geez, 1,200 plus points on the NASDAQ, boys and girls. Crazy, crazy stuff. October low, if we jump out here, October low was met with that move down. Very, very strong bearish close on the daily candle as well. So we closed. So far, we've opened up, traded below the previous day low, and now kind of trading back up into the range. So I guess the main question, boys and girls, is that has to be it, right? That has to be the low, right? What are we thinking, chat? That has to be it, right? It's not going to get uglier than that, right? Somebody tell me that's right. Or is it about to get real nasty in here? These are some monthly gaps that were left open. If you guys remember, actually, when we first traded back to all-time highs in July, August, and then September, right? Like, a lot of us, like, especially here, right? I remember specifically this month, when we switched from August into September, I was expecting, just from the way that this previous monthly candle took out the previous high, closed back in the range, I'm like, oh yeah, we're gonna get this retracement down into here before we go higher, and we just kept trucking. So these gaps have just been sitting here left open since June, May, and you know, a rebalance from this April low to October, when the high so far has been put in. I mean, 50% of this range is down in 21,600 basically. So, you know, it could get much worse. it could get much worse. My goodness, yeah. But we'll see what happens. We'll see what happens. All I know is so far the short-term short objective, if you will, has been met with that October low being taken. So we'll see. We'll see. Hourly. There isn't any. I don't believe there's any SMTs here at the low. No SMTs at the low. 4 hour. Obviously, pretty big 4 hour gap in here. I mean, it's absolutely humongous. We'll delete this. Yeah, man, I don't know. I mean, I don't know if we're going to get... I guess I don't know what to expect today, to be honest. Usually when you get a big move like that on Thursday, a lot of the times Friday can be kind of more range bound and choppy, just because, you know, usually the objective, quote unquote, has been met. So I'm really just being patient today and seeing what happens, but we'll find out. Is the government shutdown lifted? Yes. Just what they want us to think. What was the Z trades? They want us to think it's not going to get worse, or is that it? August equal lows look juicy like me. August equal lows look juicy like me. Hang on now. August equal lows look juicy like me. Really? Yeah, I guess when you put it that way, when you put it that way, I mean, yeah, maybe, kind of, yeah. I wasn't even thinking about it like that, but yeah, I mean, you might be, might be onto something there. Thanks, Jordy. Yesterday's 3 p.m. candle on NQ. What about it? Yesterday's 3 p.m. candle. What about it? I love when comments are like, Tyler, look at this. Tyler, look at that. It's just like, okay, now what? Like, what exactly? What about what? What? What do you want? What? Use your words. What's up, Sib? Mersal with the high IQ comment of the day so far. Yeah, guys, I'm just chilling and watching. I don't really have like a strong bias or anything like that. I mean, obviously, would like to see a relief rally to some extent. I mean, shit, like you get a 1,300 point move or whatever the hell it was. It's like to the downside. It's like, all right, we should probably retrace a little. No, seems like that'd be the more logical thing to lean toward, at least. The only thing about that 3 p.m. candle that would be of interest to me would just be the fact that there's no upper wick. I don't know if that is what I forget who in the chat said that, but that'd be like the only thing that would make me interested in this 3 p.m. candle. No upper wick there. But also, I mean, it's just a 4-hour fair value gap. 402. What was hang on. I was gonna say there was no news at 8:30, but look at 8:30. No lower wick on 8:30, just a boner candle straight up. These are wild times, boys. These really are some wild times, ain't it? Like, what is going on here? Bring back Biden napping on the beach. Ain't it crazy though? Like how yesterday's sell-off. Like, just to put things into perspective still. All right, so hang on. Where it was 2 p.m. 3, 4. Okay, so we were closer than I thought. It's just crazy to think like this sell-off percentage-wise was still obviously not like limit down territory, but we're getting fairly closer there. I mean, compared to just like, I mean, you guys remember trading back in April. It's not going to show up on the, I'll have to go to the continuous chart here. Like, dude, you guys remember when it was like 3 limit days back to back to back? Like, we were just selling so hard and so fast that all of us were like we couldn't even trade, really. Like right here. So yeah, so that's similar to yesterday, and then like right here was just ridiculous. Yeah, 6.5%. And then this is when Trump said, now's a good time to buy. From the low to the high, 15% in one day. Oh, man. Yeah. It's almost like if you started trading this year, it's like, man, markets have aged you multiple years in 1 year. Is almost what it feels like. You've gotten like 10 years of market experience in 1 year. You might never see anything like this for another 2 decades. It's crazy. What's up, Money Glitch? Good to see you, man. Do I think it's a bear market or just a pullback for crypto? I mean, what is the actual definition of a bear market, chat? Is it 15% off the all-time highs, 20%? I forget. Can somebody remind me? I forget what the actual, what is considered a bear market, but I mean, shit, dude, like we're over 30% off the all-time highs. Oops, shit. What am I doing? From the all-time high on Bitcoin, currently we're 32% off the all-time high. Like, bro, this is crazy. But if it's any consolation, my standard deviation projections was basically a top tick. Don't worry, I didn't take any profit. It is projected out from here, I think, right? Yeah. So projected out from this low to this high. 1 standard deviations, 120. What was the all-time high here? 126, 296. On my birthday, chat. The all-time high on Bitcoin was printed on my birthday. God, I think, was trying to give me a birthday present. Last chance, Tyler. Last chance. You better take profit. Nope. Oh, God. Fuck. Oh, I mean, All you can do is just smile and shake your head at this point, bro. It's welcome to the markets, boys. Welcome to pain. Welcome to pain, you know. Do I trade in Decembers? I don't trade in Decembers, but I trade in December. Yeah, there's only one December. So it's not plural. But I do trade during it, yes. That is correct. Yep. Yup. But anyway, guys, yeah, we're kind of just chilling right now. News comes out in 1 minute. Obviously, we're not doing anything right now. News comes out in 1 minute. We got red folder news, and then in 15 minutes after this, we're gonna have another news event. So I am hands off the mouse, sitting on hands, nothing to do right now. We are chilling. We have also taken out session highs and lows already. For the record. Was 105% up on ETH and didn't sell. Now I'm up 10%. So Jacob, you're saying you're still up. Look at the silver. Look at the bright side. Yeah. Oh my lordy. Just got to buy the dip, right? Just got to buy the dip. The only issue is like our next. So, bro, part of my entire thesis on Bitcoin and crypto as a whole, in terms of like my plan for taking profit, was based on kind of a sequence of time after the halving event. So generally, the cycle tops out around like 500-ish days after the halving event. The halving event was obviously in 2024, and the timeline lined up with basically mid-November for the top to be put in. So I was like last month on my birthday when we were putting in the new all-time high, I'm like, oh fuck, I'm like, dude, this is right on time. I'm like, we're gonna rally throughout most of Q4. November's gonna, we're gonna be like mid all the way through November or whatever, and I'm gonna be like, I was fully prepared to hold for one more leg up and start taking some profit this month. Month too late. Show us my crypto port. Bro, I haven't even looked at it. I don't want to look at it. I'm not going to look at it. I'm not going to look at it. It's not going to happen. It's probably fucking terrible, bro. It's probably terrible. My crypto port was, the high watermark is like 275K. I don't know. I don't want to know. I don't want to look at it. I don't want to know. That shit is fucking probably red as fuck. I mean, Bitcoin's down 32%, 33%. XRP, it's bad, bro. It's bad. 47 fucking percent, bro. Good lord. Ethereum, I mean, I got great entries back in April. We've retraced all, like, this is my last add into Ethereum was right here. Whatever. And Solana, all the way back down. Cardano, we're back below that entry. Like, Cardano never did shit. So, yeah, it's not good, bro. It's not good. It's probably, I mean, I would think it's back under 200K now. But I'm not going to look at it. It's not going to serve me to look at it. I only look at the balance. I only look at the balance when it's up. All right. The more you look at it when it's down, it's just not good. So now we're just buying stonks. We're buying stonks, and I probably will add to Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie. I probably will. Yeah, I probably will. I might fuck around and buy a whole Bitcoin. You know, like I'm not like rich, where it's like I can just buy a full Bitcoin and not think about it. But I could pretty comfortably buy a Bitcoin and be just fine. And it's like, huh. You know what I mean? I mean, the reality is the money ain't going to do me any good in the bank. Here's a good idea, though. Buy crypto, evade taxes. What do you guys think of that? How do I get out of paying taxes this year? Anybody got the hookup on that? Oh yeah, what is the poll? 62% bullish. I've noticed that whenever the poll is over 60% one side, price does the opposite. Not always, but yeah. Like I said before, I wouldn't be like surprised if we kind of stay in this range. Like, what if October low was the objective of the week and today's just bleh? That's a real possibility. What's up, Slade? Good to see you, man. Buy gold, sell for... Yeah, what's gold at? 4,000? I haven't been paying attention to this. Yeah, we've been... Dude, why we've just been, like, kind of more so range-bound on gold, right? Obviously, a face-melting rally. And we've kind of just been stalled out here for the most part. I've seen all sorts of different speculations online. People wanting to see new all-time highs before end of the year. I'm like, I don't know. What did you say? You said buy gold, sell for cash equals no taxes? What? Hang on, let me... Buy gold, sell for cash equals no taxes. Slade. Enlighten me. What are you saying right now? Buy gold and sell for cash equals no taxes? You're saying that I could just take my money, I could buy gold, immediately turn around and sell it, and I don't pay taxes. Dude, should we not be talking about this on live stream? Is my YouTube going to get banned by talking about how to evade taxes? That can't be right. Google says, no, selling gold. Well, yeah, selling gold for a profit, but I wouldn't be selling it for a profit, would I? If I just like got in it, if I just got in and out. It says selling gold for a profit is a taxable event. Does not mean no taxes are owed. The method of payment, cash or otherwise, does not eliminate your legal obligation to report to the IRS. Yeah, so I don't know. I don't know if that's going to work. Bitcoin 40K looking smooth. Yeah, all I know is I got some buddies that don't have any Bitcoin. Obviously, I was taking the victory laps as we're putting in new all-time highs, and they're taking the victory laps now. LOL, fucking so it's gonna go to zero. Well, dude, what if it does? We'd be so fucked. Let's see here. If you guys, so just going off last cycle. Last cycle was a 76% from high to low. Over the span of obviously what from November of 21 with the low being put in November of 22. God forbid I wait till November to try to take some profit. November. October. Oh, gotcha. Yeah, November 21 to November 22 was the year-to-year high to low, 76%. What would a 76, where does that put us at? Sub 30,000. I'll kill myself. I'll be a statistic if that happens. God. It's all over. Oh. Why did I decide to fucking day trade? What a dumbass. Stupid financial markets. Ignorance really is bliss, isn't it, chat? All these fuckers out here walking around. They don't even know. Fucking boomer ass dad sitting there, gets his quarterly statement fucking 4 times a year, doesn't know what the fuck is going on. Meanwhile, we're watching markets fucking tumble and burn. Dad's just saying, oh, my quarterly statement. God! Oh. Anyway. Well, nice correction here right before news. 946. Well, this is actually right at news, right? To 50% of this range from 830. We are seeing a push above new highs here. Sub 30, I'm buying a rope and searching for a tree. Yep. Yeah, that's the strategy. Yup. Well, boys, what do we think? We got 402. 402 is our... It's our new day opening gap as well, dang. 402 is our 4-hour gap and just 4-hour high, I guess. Remember, we got news again here in 4 minutes. It's kind of what we've been waiting for. I've just been stalling and trying to get through all this news stuff. Not that there's been any like great opportunity, I wouldn't say either, but I mean, I'm sure somebody took this inversion or something to this high. I'm sure somebody in the chat did something like this. I think is this our first presented? Wait. No, it's not. First presented is right here. Yeah, I'm sure somebody took this right here. That's 100 points. That's crazy. I'm in awe. Or I guess, yeah, I mean, talk about the 4-hour gap. Is there any crazy cholos in the chat that want to see a new low put in today? I guess I didn't even ask that. Is anybody expecting that today? I'm not personally, but I also wasn't expecting October low to be taken yesterday, so. Oh, Fed decrease. Yeah, what is hang on. What? All right, so we got, I'm just looking ahead now to next week. We got PPI Tuesday. Obviously, Thanksgiving on Thursday. Is that it? Okay. I'm like, did they... So they got PPI rescheduled, but we did not... Do we... Bro, this is fucking with me now. Did we have CPI this month? Or we missed it, right? Did they reschedule it? I think we didn't have it. Is that correct? I think that's correct. We rescheduled an FP. I don't think we did anything with CPI. But now we got PPI on Tuesday next week. CPI on Sunday? What do you mean? Why isn't it on here? Are you just saying stuff? Williams, Fed can still cut rates in the near term given current policy is modestly restrictive. Next rate cut is, well, assuming it'll be a rate cut, Wednesday, December 10th. You'd say monthly fair value gap, Sharky? Yeah, it's very possible. Very possible. The good news is, boys, is, you know, at least we left some generated buy side up here, which it just means, hey, listen, it just means we're going back eventually. Eventually, we'll get back there. Eventually, we'll get back there. Who knows when? But you know what I mean? Like, once we get to that buy side of the curve, that's where we're going. We got all this generated buy side left. Like, look at all this. Come on now. Come on now. We'll get back there eventually, but it might be a long winter. Might be a long couple of winters. Oh. Well. Yeah, chat, what's everybody buying? I'm assuming people are buying the dip. So what's everybody buying? Are you guys buying mostly crypto? Are you guys buying a little bit of everything? You guys buying index shares? Are you guys buying individual stocks? Like, what is... We got another sell-off here. 10 a.m. just opened up. I mean, looking at even just like adding maybe some positions in NVIDIA. Turn this shit off. You know, but I feel like we could come lower still here. Obviously, is what everyone says, but like we're down like 16%. Like even if we came down to here, like bro, would a 30% sell off in NVIDIA be ridiculous? I don't think so. Google's up 2. Why is Google ripping? Google is ripping. Pokemon cards? So far, not a great investment. Oh, God. Bitcoin's going down to 70K. Yeah, probably. SPY, NVIDIA, NAS, yeah. I just put a little bit in yesterday to, well, my VU order just went through this morning, or part of it. Yeah, dollar cost averaging a little bit. If we go lower, we'll buy more. What app for crypto? Mainly just Coinbase to buy, but then I hold on a ledger. I got some just sitting on Coinbase, but not very much. You really shouldn't. If you're gonna hold it for the long term, you really shouldn't hold it on an exchange. Yeah, I'm not really much anymore of like a degenerate buying like really, you know, crazy altcoins or anything like that. So I don't really use anything else to buy crypto anymore. Used to have to jump through a bunch of hoops to buy some stuff. It just kind of just depends how early you wanted to be to different plays, but yeah, I don't know. I'm not like, I'm not gonna lie. I'm not the biggest. I'm not like a Bitcoin maximist. I'm not like a crypto maximist either. Like, if I'm just being rational, if I'm being logical, I'm not even that big of a believer in. I'm not really that big of a believer in crypto. If that sounds, it sounds kind of bad. It sounds kind of bad, but like I definitely understand the. I mean, I understand just the economics of it all. But it's just, it's hard for me to actually sit here. Like, let's be honest. The only reason people buy crypto, Bitcoin included, is to make money on it. Like, I know the crypto community talks about like, oh, dirty fiat, you know, get rid of your dirty fiat. Like, you'd rather have crypto than fiat. And it's just like, is that true though, really? Like, the only reason you bought it was to get more fiat. Like, I'm just trying to be logical about it. Like, do you see a world personally where we're transacting with crypto in your lifetime? Like, genuinely. All right. Chat is fucking dead silent. Sweet. All right. Fuck you then, chat. Fucking crickets.
You wake up when the alarm goes off. You go to your job. Sorry. Hi, boss.
Tyler, send us a signal, please. Tyler, can you send us a signal? Listen, this is the only thing that I'm going to be worried about. The only thing I'm going to be worried about, if we rally back to new all-time highs.
And believe me, Kevin, the only problem you're gonna have is that you didn't buy more. Sound fair enough?
That's it. Like, that's it. You know what I mean? I don't want to be that guy. Although it's a good problem to have. Full port long, says Tyler in the chat. He says full port longs. Full port long. So far, we're down 70 points. 80 points, 90 points. Full port, margin called. Watch it bounce here. He'd be like, told you so. Whoop, 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 whoop. I don't know. I kind of like the 830 opening price drop. What do you guys think of that? I don't know. Bro, but the reality is, bro, we just might not take a trade today, to be honest. The objective may have been met, guys. The objective may have been met, and this just might be the choppiest price action you've ever fucking seen in your life. All I know, boys, is deer hunting season starts tomorrow. I'm gonna be freezing my ass off in the woods, trying to get me a big old whitetail. Big old whitetail. Dude, we got a nice buck on camera, actually. Look at this shit. Nice buck on camera literally like 2 days ago. Let me see if I can pop this up. What? Hang on. That's kind of the one bad part about PC versus Mac. Like Mac, you can just airdrop so nice. I don't know. This is how do I get this up here without? How do I get this up here without showing you guys my OnlyFans account for free? You know what I mean? Like, I don't want you guys getting access to my spicy content without paying. All right? Does this work? Oops. Aha! Let's fucking go. Yeah, boys, check this out. That's probably gonna be my best chance. Got this guy coming in pretty consistently. Only problem is he's coming in fucking super late. Tyler J, you took 5 trades? Actually, you took 5 trades, Tyler? Or you fuck with me? Tyler, all I know is the full port long is down 100 and at one point 112 points. Tyler, the full port long is not working. Dead serious? Oh God. Tell me it's not true. I don't know, guys. I kind of like 830 open if I'm going to pick, if I like gun to my head, have to pick a draw here. I like 830 open. I just like don't. I also don't trust anything either. Like this 2-minute looks fairly clean-ish. What is a guy? How does a boy, in my circumstances, play something like this? Or is it even worth playing, I guess, is the real question. That's the real question. Is it worth it? Is it worth it to even take a stab at that? I could definitely make the argument for no. I'm just tired of seeing red over here, bro. It's so depressing. You took 5 trades, but you're plus 600 on the new fundeds? Hell yeah. It's 7:30. No, it's actually 8:30. Wait, what the? Hold up. What the? Yeah, I guess it is 7:30. My bad. What the? Why'd that happen? Why did it do that? Whatever. Still though. 7:30. If we put in a new low today, it's so over. It's so over. Keep track of the new day opening gap. We're in it right now, right? Yep. We are indeed in it right this moment. Where is opening range gap? What are we at here? Okay. So yeah, we filled in opening range gap. Just building up lows here on ES. Well, it looks like lower's maybe going to come in here. I don't know. Just feels risky. It just feels risky. Five-minute OB tap. See if it'll flush this. Yeah, I'm not in anything, though. I'm not in anything right now. I'm not really that interested, to be honest. Yeah, I see the SMT at the highs, yeah. Oh, no. Tyler. Pear's mad at you. He said Tyler lied about the longs. Account gone. Yeah, he definitely was capping. He probably didn't even take that. He probably didn't even take it. He probably just said it in the chat. Yeah. Ain't that the worst though? Like when you have a friend that like sends you a signal that he doesn't take himself and then it fails and then he goes, yeah, bro, I was just joking. But if it would have worked out, he'd have been like, yeah, I told you so, bro. Is that not the worst? He probably should. Oh God. Yeah, this is why I didn't I mean, maybe it's still shorts here, but this is just why it's like I just feel like it's not really worth it here. Previous hourly low. Yeah, it might just be chop. We'll wait though. We'll wait it out a little bit. We'll see. Yeah, I just don't see anything I'm interested in right now, to be honest. Everything kind of feels like a trap. Feels like if I took something, it'd almost just like get lucky in a way. Yeah, this is crazy though. I mean, we did not have any news yesterday, right? Like there was no headlines that came out that like kind of fueled the big sell-off, right? I mean, no wonder Nancy's not seeking re-election. It says potentially due to uncertainty about the Federal Reserve's interest rate path, renewed fears of the AI stock bubble, and release of a mixed September jobs report. Although some tech gains started the day, they faded as investors became cautious. Yeah, I just don't think a lot of people were expecting. It's just kind of the irony of it all. Like I don't think a lot of people were expecting after Nvidia beat earnings the day before that we were gonna see market crash. Well, that's the beauty of it. Nancy would get fried in these markets? No. Nancy knows what's going to happen before it happens. Yeah, bro, what the fuck is this shit? Like, if this gap fails to the downside, this is so fucked. I feel like this has to hold here. If this is going to make any sense. Really much else to say here. What time is it? 10:24. 30-minute candle close in 6. Anyway, I don't know. Well, yeah, I'm flat on the day. I might stay flat on the day if nothing changes here, but well, how did everybody do this week? The chat was bullish, by the way. We're gonna end the poll off there. 55% bullish, 25% bearish. The rest think chop. We'll do a weekly P&L check. I'm assuming most people are flat for right now today. It's been a fair week. Yeah, let me know how you guys have done this week. Are you guys green, red, flat on the week? I mean, I don't know why you'd be flat on the week, but look at us just rallying now. ES swept out those generated lows. Flip this. Is the 4-hour gap in play is the question. And if so, when? When 4-hour gap? Bro. Oh, Lordy. Bro, this is something else. Well, maybe I should just plot about what I want to buy next. What do I want to buy next, boys? I just don't know if we're at the bottom of Bitcoin yet. I think we can go much lower. And I think I can get a much better buying op on BTC. Oh yeah, 4 hour fair value gap. We could even rally back up to the high 80s and then sell. Oh yeah, boys. Maybe I want to buy something else. Maybe I want to buy. Maybe I want to buy some. Do I want to buy more Solana? Yeah. Could get a better Cardano entry. That's crazy. It's just crazy that this April 9th entry. Like, bro. Just this entry was 200% gains. What? Now we're all the way back. The hell is this? The hell is going on in here? All I know is Google's up 2% on the day. Nvidia is down 2% on the day. Yeah, I don't know if it's worth buying anything else right now. I really feel like it's just kind of like wait for better buying ops. You know, already bought some. Now it's kind of like, how low can we go? What are we thinking, chat? What are we thinking? Well, is now going to be the flush to 966? Or what? Tanya's getting cooked. Honestly, should I just fucking... Oh, fuck. I might just go watch other live streamers at this point. Like, this is so homosexual. Define getting cooked, though. What's happening?
That second trade cost me like $1,500.
$1,500.
It's great.
$1,600. What?
Yeah. Yeah. There's not really. I don't know. It feels like okay. Then now it entices people to go short. Now it's gonna stop the shorts out. Like it's really just a seek and destroy. I feel like. You know. I tried to short it here. Got immediately stopped there, and then I was like, all right, longs. This was a nice immediate rebalance. Maybe we'll go back up, and that was my mistake for constantly flipping because I was long, short, then long again. It was like clearly you don't have a higher time frame idea right now. Be too cute after making a lot yesterday. It's like okay, you shouldn't. Yeah, yesterday was a different thing because there's way more higher time frame.
Yeah, where the
lows to go for right now are just okay. Could retrace. Yeah, that was probably that was probably not a good idea when I entered that long. I said that if I get stopped out immediately here, it means that we're in consolidation when on that short, and I did. So I don't know why. That was really impulsive of me.
Nah, just playing, chat. Just playing.
Whatever. I'm not perfect.
Hey, amen.
Paid the price there.
None of us are. None of us are, Tanya. None of us are. What did she say? 2 trades? That's not bad. That's not getting cooked. We've all been cooked a couple of times in a row. Shit. What's my worst? What's my worst? I think my worst performance ever on stream was probably the Grand Cup. Yeah, probably the Grand Cup. I think I took 4 L's in a row. Jarvis says clown. Fuck you, Jarvis. Hey, Jarvis.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Hey, Jarvis.
Shut up, bitch!
Oh, hey, Jarvis.
Hey, pal. You just blowing from Stupid Town?
God forbid a guy has a little fun on stream. Fuck you, Jarvis. Fucking dumbass. I'm gonna put you in timeout. I don't want to see your fucking stupid ass in here ever again. Jeez Louise. Jarvis. Imagine making your YouTube username after a fucking Iron Man movie. What a fucking loser. Hey, Jarvis, give me a trade signal. Hey, Jarvis, load some anime porn. Thank you. Fucking Jarvis, dude. Good God. No, he's never. I put him in the VIP room, so he ain't typed for at least 30 minutes. We'll give him one more chance. One more chance. What's up, taking in? Why did my chat? Why is the YouTube live chat? Why did it switch to usernames? I don't like that. I'm so used to seeing your guys' display names. I don't like the usernames. PA is aid so far, it seems. It would seem that way taken, and I've taken 0 trades. Let me turn the executions on, chat. They might have already been on. Nope. Executions on, boys. Blank charts. Blank. What is this? What? Oh. Blank executions. We'll put the P&L up to nothing. Flat. Zeros. No trades, no trades. We were kind of eyeing up this 7:30 opening price candle, though, and looks like we're going there now, but, like, holy shit. This is crazy. I mean, you could have been stopped out 4 different times trying to trade it, though. Or you just had to hold through 100-point, like, dude, 100-point swings. Either, I mean, it's just crazy. So, yeah. We got 1034. Oh, man. Hourly candle is starting to get some girth on this body. You know? Hourly candle went from flaccid to erect real quick. London lows. I mean, yeah, I guess maybe. I mean, I think if we go here, I mean, we might see a whole new low today. And I mean, I don't know. I always kind of just viewed London kill zone like sessions, but yeah, man, just not really, in my opinion, an ideal day to trade. What time was this at? This was in 10 a.m. macro. Unless you turtle soup this high here. Where's Nika at? Turtle soup this high. Short this fair value gap. Obviously, this is all hindsight. What's up, Gustavo? Man, I love you too, dude. Thanks, man. Should have known we'd make a new low. What a dumbass. Dude, I can't believe, bro. Guys, in the chat, Tyler said full port longs. Or, yeah, he said full port longs right here. Right, like right here. He said full port longs. We're down. The overall market is down 1% since then. Over 1,000 ticks. 260 points. Oh. Nika's hung over today. No trades. Nika, what the fuck? Are you just out? Yeah, are you just out partying last night? What's going on? No invite? Come on now. The hell? Nika, we hitting up 11 in Miami or what? Or nah? Yes or yes? Thirsty Thursday, yep. Dang. Oh. Hey Tyler, yesterday you said you don't like trading during half the hour. What do you mean? Nika, come on. Nika. Don't be like that. I just don't like, I prefer to trade during the macros. I prefer to trade at the ends of an hour to the beginning of a new hour. Or if I am trading during the middle of an hour, I just have to anticipate holding longer. But generally I just kind of tend to find that I get, like if I enter in the middle of an hour, generally I end up getting manipulated in the next macro, and then it sets up an actual like decent move most of the time, right? So that's just my preference. I have found not much luck trading between macros, basically. Yeah. Well, I'm kind of just watching this, guys. I'm stalling a little bit. I mean, just pretty much letting this hour play out at this point. See if there's opportunity maybe for 11 a.m. But like, dude, if we see new lows here, I just don't know. I just don't know, bro. It's just. Like, am I crazy for wanting to see that? Or no? Damn, dude, I just can't believe Nika went and got wasted last night and didn't invite any of us. That's so disrespectful. You know what I mean? Like we all could have been hungover. We all could have been hungover. We all could have been. You know what I mean? Having a good old Friday, right? Come on. D's nuts. What? I didn't put D's nuts in timeout. I put what's his name? Jarvis. Is this, unless this is your next burner account or something? No, I never invite me golfing. Listen, golf's always, it's always an open invitation. I thought that was a given. SMT at the lows. Yeah, I see it. I see it. D's nuts. You're also Jarvis. Is that what you're telling me? D's nuts. So you have more than one burner account. Is that what I'm understanding? Is that accurate? Anticipating buys, potentially, yeah. See, like, my biggest thing is I like buying the bottom. You know what I mean? I like fading the falling knife. Are you and Nika old pals? Yeah, something like that. You could say that. Yeah. Yeah, old pals. Yeah. One of the coolest guys to go gambling with, Wick of Siberia. That is exactly what I'm saying. Spread the word, dude. I've been trying to tell everybody. Yeah, you know, I would second that. Well, I would second that personally. Yeah, I think I'm a fun guy to go gambling with. I mean, look at you guys. We're showing up to go gambling every single day on live stream. What do you mean? Last time we played blackjack, we did great. What are you talking about? The only problem that I ended up having was I didn't risk more. Tyler. That was the only problem we had. It was a great time. I'm just not into slots. This guy likes playing slot. Tyler likes playing slot. Who the fuck? Listen, guys, in the chat, if you guys are going gambling, what are you guys playing? Are you guys playing blackjack? Are you guys doing baccarat? Roulette? Slots? Like, come the fuck on. Who the fuck goes to a casino and plays slots? Let's be honest. Slots, bro? Slots? We're gonna play fucking slots? That's fun. Fuck that. Slots is so gay. I'd rather lose money and have fun. I don't care. Like, if God himself was like, you'll win if you play slots, I'd say, I don't care, God. I want to lose. Then it's not meant for me. Looks like I'm meant to lose, God. Looks like I'm meant to lose. Yeah. That's what I think. BJ all day. That's what I'm saying. Oh, goodness gracious. Yeah, online slots, all of it, bro. I'm just not into it. I'm just not into slots at all. It's just like, why don't I'm just not into it. Listen, if you guys want a surefire 6-leg parlay that will hit 5 of 6 legs, my boy Tyler in the chat, he's got you covered, bro. He's not gonna get you the whole way there, but he'll get you most of the way there. You know what I mean? He's got you covered. All right, new 15-minute candle just opened up here. We did get an inversion on this 1 minute. I'm sure somebody in the chat's in this. It might be a good play. I was kind of like, I'm stalling a little bit because I still feel like we could get another drive down to this low at 904. But this is a pretty strong rejection on that 15-minute. Like, this wicked up a lot. Look at this. Oops, shit. Very strong rejection. In buys, Mersal? Oh, dude. Please go lower. Please go lower, market. Make my day and just fucking nuke. Oh, dude, Tyler, I think Pear actually blew his accounts on your long signal. He's like, nah, dude, this guy ain't it anymore. He's definitely not it. Vitaly says you're just missing the long entry. That's totally fucking fine with me. That's totally fine. Maybe I am, maybe I'm not. Oh my god, bro. This guy. Fucking parlays and shit. It's crazy. Oh, Paris goes, I just wanted to turn 12. This is funny. I just wanted to turn 12 quickly so I don't have to trade today. Basically what he's saying is he's forced to put trades on until 12. He's like, fuck, dude, I just please turn 12 so I can stop. I can't stop pressing buy. I can't stop pressing short. Please turn 12 so I can stop. Make the suffering end, please. I kind of like that though. It's just like, yeah, challenge yourself. You know what I mean? Challenge yourself. It's like, dude, I gotta trade until 12. It's a fucking rule that I have. I gotta do it. I hope this market tanks and just nukes Mersal. Finish him. They're saying no December rate cuts? No way. What's up, Jordan? Got myself out of 1,100 in drawdown this week. Locked myself out today. Well, congrats on getting out of drawdown. It's always a good feeling. All right, guys. Macro is incoming here. Let's see what the top of the hour has in store. We'll see if there's anything. I would say I could see an opportunity. I really do want to kind of see this retrace. You know, and if it just goes higher, I'm probably no trade for me. See the 5 minute. It's just. But yeah, right now, longs off this inversion are playing. I mean, shit, they're up damn near 90 points, 100 points. Shit. All right, macro starting. But yeah, no rate cuts in December taken in. Is that, where are they saying that at? As of right now on Poly Market, we got 25 basis point decrease, 68%, 30% no change. Looking like odds are still high for a rate cut. Higher than not, at least. According to the market. Morsal says, Tyler, where should I target for buy? I don't know. I'm not in a buy. I mean, if you didn't have a target before you entered the trade. Tyler Jacob says, for sure long now, right, chat? Is that another signal, Tyler? Let me know. We got timestamps on. He said it at... I wasn't wrong just early. 9:49. He's asking if it's long now. 9:49. Where's the timestamp on this? Or, yeah, 9:49 my time, so 10:49. So far, since that comment has been left, we are down 68 points, 69 points. Buy right now. Trust me, we're going to all-time high today, Marsal. Yeah, Marsal, I would go with that. Marsal, I'd go with this. Not financial advice. What's up, Anthony? Good to see you, man. Marsal goes, yes. Should have taken profit instead of commenting. Fucking so true. Listen, Marsal, it's not your fault. Tyler Jacobs in the chat said longs up here at 49. This is fucked. Tyler, you ever think about giving a short signal? Oh boy. 3-minute inversion. I don't know. I can see maybe some longs playing. I'm trying to get us through this hour, if I'm being fucking totally honest. I kind of want to see this hourly candle close. All I know is the hourly candles look awfully different. YM is a bullish hourly candle right now. ES and NQ are bearish. Look at this, boys. Beautiful 50% tap here. What? What? Mersal, did you get out? Mersal, are you still holding? Let me know. I'm vested in this. See, the 5-minute looks sus, though. Nika, you're in. Nika. What the fuck? Full port is adding longs. Listen, I might have to be content with just chilling today. This market's scary. This market's fucking buck wild. '90s kids will remember all those commercials late at night, like 2, 3 in the morning. You get those Girls Gone Wild commercials on the parents' television. You're just like, oh, looks like a fun time. But like now it's NQ Gone Wild. Mersal says, no jinx can stop me from this trade. Yeah, you're probably right, Mersal. Ain't nothing gonna stop you. Ain't nothing. Didn't he get sued? I think so, actually. Yeah, now that you mention it, I think he did. Yeah. Poor guy. I think he was an innovator. All I know is YM looks primed and ready to rip. YM looks fucking really good. On the hourly, at least. Nah, on this chart, it looks like absolute dog shit. All right, guys. Hourly is going to close in a couple of minutes. I'm just going to wait for the hourly close. And you wait. And whoever speaks first loses. Oh, God. Carrie Malami says, I need food for the weekend. Wait, what? No giveaway. I need some cash. I need food for the weekend. Just try like a 72-hour fast instead. It's probably good for you. What? What? What's going on? Bro, what is fucking happening right now? My shit's fucking crashing, dude. I fucking hate this PC, bro. It's like been one of the worst experiences of my fucking life. I'm not even I'm signed out of everything. What are we doing, bro? You know who told me to get a PC? Tyler Jacobs in the chat, the guy that's been giving you long trade signals. Fuck, man. 7:30. Jeez, Louise. Is anybody else having any issues, or is it just me? Like, what's happening? Am I all alone, guys? Let me know. What's up, Slade? Yours doing the exact thing on stream this morning. Was like, what the fuck? Dude, it's crazy. Like, I was having stream issues last week at the end of the week, and then Monday of this week, I think. I had to, like, uninstall some NVIDIA drivers. It's happening again. I can't make it stop. I had to uninstall some NVIDIA drivers. I had to reinstall some new ones. Thought I was fine. Now it's doing it again. This is so annoying, bro. I can't, bro, guys, I can't make it stop crashing. Every time I get it open and I re-sign in, it keeps, Chrome keeps crashing on me. My Chrome is crashing. I can't make it stop. Let me, I don't know, let me try Microsoft Edge, I guess. Is anybody else having this? Check. Is it just me? Chrome didn't shut down correctly. I'm aware. I'm aware, pal. Oh, I should be good on updates. Where? Really, you're gonna let us look at charts while it's chopping around, and now that or to the top of the hour, you can't. It's so stupid. All right, let me see. Let me see if I can get logged in here on Microsoft Edge. It might just be a Chrome issue that I'm having. I don't know. Oh my lord. None of my bookmarks are the same. Son of a bitch. Hang on, boys. Hang on. Give me a second. None of my... This is crazy. I don't know, bro. Is this a sign? Like, what is going on? I can't get back in TradeSyncer. I can't find it. I can't even find it. TradeSyncer. What are we doing? There we go. Sign me in. Never mind, the sign-in button doesn't work. I don't know. Not responding. Sweet. I don't know, but let's just watch this. I think I got my charts back up on Microsoft Edge, but I don't know, bro. Having some Google Chrome issues right now, apparently. It's crashing. It's Chrome. I got hacked. Actually. It's Mossad, boys. BB Netanyahu's pissed. Crazy. I mean, it's fine. I probably wasn't going to look to take anything anyway in all reality, but... Mersal. Mersal, how are we doing, boy? How are we doing, man? Are you still in the longs? Mersal? These longs ain't working, dog. These longs ain't working. Mersal, no! Mersal, no! Mersal. Mersal, I can't believe you went long there. What an idiot.
Man, you are one pathetic loser.
Come on, Mersal. You should have known better. I thought I raised you better than that, Mersal. Come on. Yeah, boys. What a time is it? 11:05. New lows potentially incoming here. 9:04. But anyway, from the chat, am I hearing that? Should have never traded this PA. So true, Mersal. Now we're talking. So is it a Chrome issue? Like, is everybody else having Chrome problems? Their Chrome crashing, or is it just me? Or I just don't want it to be. I don't want it to be an issue going into next week. That is so annoying. Obviously, we had like the cloud. What was that? The Cloudflare crash. Was that this week as well? What's going on? What's going on right now? Technology ain't working. Markets are tanking. Trump might release. He might release the Epstein files. He might not. I mean, what's going on? What is happening? ICT probably was on the island. No, I'm just kidding. I'm playing. Too far. Too far. Wait, what if? Hey. Ah, Nika says getting drunk on a Thursday. But Nika, it's Friday now. It's Friday now. The TradingView app. I know, but I still use Chrome for like everything else. Like managing my live stream pretty much. I guess I could put the studio up on OBS too. Anyway. I don't know, boys. Just came down, generated perfect equal lows. Like there's no way we leave these equal lows, right? On ES and NQ. Wick of Serbia says this is a perfect sign to hit the bars and go on a weekend bender. Honestly, I probably will be kind of on a little bit of a bender this week. And it won't really be like a bender. But like when you're in Wisconsin and you go deer hunting, like usually you're going to have some cold ones. You know what I'm saying? So yeah, we'll probably slap a couple of brewskis. You know, 10 or 20, something light like that. And then you know what I mean, to see if chat wants to cook up some parlays. I haven't cooked up a parlay in a hot minute. It'd be kind of fun. It would be kind of fun, wouldn't it? Maybe that's what I should do. Show up to fucking family Thanksgiving with a fucking 10 parlays ready to go. Get absolutely sloshed and make my grandma cry. Just kidding. She's just kidding. She's not doing so hot. She's in a nursing home. Fuck. Okay. Oh man. Well, chat, I don't know. This is those are rookie numbers 15 deep before the club Slade. Now we're fucking talking. Finally, somebody gets it. Monthly candle is insane. I do agree. What a crazy. Man. Just a Drake candle, right? Drake entered the chat and he's absolutely like, hey guys, listen. Listen. I'm going to leave you with this. Fuck. This monthly candle right here. This one is you and me. All right. This is the guy she tells you not to worry about. Oh. And that's all I got for you. That is my technical analysis. Yep. Anyway, chat. Well, hey, I honestly think I'm going to call it there. I don't see any reason to try to force anything here. I'm also not logged into anything anymore, so I couldn't put a trade on even if I wanted. Unless I get logged in on something else, which I'm just going to take this as a sign that God is protecting me from probably something not so great. Right? Is that not the right way to look at it? I think that's pretty good perspective. But what I will say, guys, is enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your weekend. I will be back probably Monday, I'm assuming. 9:20 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Same channel. You're in the right spot. So enjoy your weekend, everybody. Appreciate you guys. Hit the like button on your way out. If you want to get funded with Tradeify, code Tyler. And yeah, man, don't be a degenerate. Market's going buck wild, and we'll see what the rest of the month has in store, man. Christ is king. Amen. 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 Yeah, go to church too. Don't be heathens. All right, guys. Appreciate you guys. I will see you guys next week. Peace and love. We'll talk to you guys later.
Wake up early, coffee to my lips. Tyler Trade streaming, giving us tips. The NASDAQ hustle riding up high. Joints on my playground, never ask you why. ICT moves, smart money flows. Precision like an arrow, yeah, that's how it goes. Stop loss is shaking, but I hold my ground. Payouts stacking while the beats pound. Tyler trades, yeah, he's calling the plays. Future's bright while the market sways. Into running, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Trade lots now, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler. fight while the market sways. If you run it, we don't delay. Stack those wins every single day. Snap, time to break the mold. Risk to reward, pure liquid gold. Liquidity and grabs, making it rain. I'm in sync with Tyler, bringing the gain. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age. Party lights, flashing charts on the screen. Profit targets hidden, living the dream. Man of the hour, Tyler takes the stage. ICT king, ruling the day trader age.